This is Nissan Sentra blade key. I am going to program all keys lost 2018 model. So I am going to do the all keys lost using Autel KM100, and this is a 46 chip. So we are going to see how to program this. It's mostly Nissan, you can do it. See, as it's not program it. Go to hot function, key landing, start. Okay, this function is going to resolve case. Okay. Switch ignition off, wait 5 seconds and remove the key. That's okay. Insert the first key, turn ignition on. Okay, program success. So you can see here the security light is gone. So if you want more keys, you can say yes, otherwise no. Switch ignition off, wait 5 seconds and remove the key. Now insert the key again, switch ignition on. Press OK. Switch ignition off and remove the key. The key landing is success. Program is success. Now you can try to start the car. So start the car. You see it's working. This is Nissan Sentra 2018 model. It's the key ignition. I think 17 or 18 model like that. So you can do mostly Nissan keys programming like that. ID46 using Autel KM100. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting.